When you're building a flexible and well-designed vehicle reimbursement program to achieve varying objectives across, HR, they're going to want retention, right? Finance is going to want cost reduction. Sales teams are going to want to make sure people are happy, right? We have varying objectives, but at the end of the day, we all want the same thing. We want to consider these factors. So step one, what is our budget? What are we working with here, right? What are our industries and market standards that we need to be looking at all times? And then lastly, what's the real-time actual cost of driving? And you can lean on your partner for this, as you absolutely should. Second step is choosing your program or your group of programs. Looking at things like compliance verification and requirements, cost benefit analysis, and thinking about how to effectively transition from what you're doing today. And again, leveraging tools to help. Lastly, we want to look at internal factors that might impact rates, things like, job type and requirements and any internal policies or insurance regulations that you have for your drivers that need to be taken into account. And again, perhaps some jobs require less driving or more driving than others. That is perfectly normal. Hybrid approaches are extremely, extremely common and also most of the time a good option for people who have different needs. So for example, you might see a FAVR program being used for teams or drivers even that are very, very high mileage, and you might see cents per mile being used for low mileage drivers or tax-free car allowance being used for executives, for example. And that's what your reimbursement partner is there for, to make this all very easy.